Hi Tejasvi,
Hi,
how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am fine. So tell me, how are you keeping yourself busy these days?
Uh, I am actually just trying my best to be calm because in
Mm-hmm.
situations like these, you really tend to uh, uh, just start being impatient. I feel
Yeah,
so. I'm just staying at home. I'm trying to keep myself busy by reading a lot of books.
yeah,
I am watching a lot of good movies and good
mm.
series. I am
Mm.
cooking every single
Yeah,
day. I'm helping
yeah,
my mom with whatever work she needs help with. I
mm.
am also doing a online course on something,
Mm.
and I'm chatting with you guys, doing my live
Yeah,
sessions almost
yeah,
every day. It
yeah,
really helps me
mm.
just be busy.
Yeah, right. Also, tell me, what is the first thing that you really want to do after this lockdown ends?
I really want to go out and eat a
Hmm.
lot of junk food. वैसे तो
Hmm.
मेरे घर पे we've been
हाँ.
making all the street side food anyway. Like पानी
Hmm.
पूरी बन चुकी है, पाव भाजी बन चुकी है, समोसे बन
Hmm.
चुके हैं, pizzas
Hmm.
बन चुके हैं.
Hmm.
And right now आज lunch के लिए
Yeah.
मैंने burger with French fries खाया है. Like I had like a proper big Maharaja Mac type of a burger with
Yeah.
peri peri fries made at
Hmm.
home. तो
Hmm.
एक्चुअली सारी बाहर की जो चीज़ें हैं वो
Hmm.
ऑनेस्टली घर पे सारी बन रही है बट
Hmm.
जस्ट हाउ डू आई से इट्स जस्ट वो बाहर का ऐसा खाने में थोड़ा there's always a difference in the taste
Yeah,
and I
feeling अलग
really
होती है.
miss it.
Yeah. Also, a lot of shows are being telecasted these days. अगर मैं आपको पूछूं, आपको अपना कौन सा शो फिर से देखने का मन हो रहा है? You wanted to return it back to TV.
I think I think Silsila Badalते Rishtoi Ka was a show which was telecasted on Boot and it wasn't
Hmm.
telecasted on Colors. थोड़े टाइम के लिए Colors पे आया था
Hmm.
but it wasn't like a proper Colors telecasted show और मैंने बहुत
Hmm.
सारे channels को देखा. Like the other day I was just checking Z और
Hmm.
Z5 के shows बहुत सारे अब Z पे telecast होने वाले हैं.
Hmm.
So it's not in a way that you're repeating a show. You're actually
Yeah.
just showing a new show for a
Yeah.
different platform for people who haven't seen it. जैसे कि Z5 के जो
Hmm.
shows हैं
Hmm.
वो मैंने अभी तक देखे नहीं है. So I will be able to watch them on Z right now. So
Yeah.
something like that because like
Hmm.
जो सिलसिला बदलते रिश्तों का था
Right.
that was on
Right.
Boot and I would really
Yeah.
like to watch it on Colors now and they won't even have to like
Hmm.
repeat it because it never came on
Yeah.
Colors so it would
Hmm.
anyway be like
Hmm.
a new show. So I
Yeah.
think that is one show that I would like to
Right.
watch.
Right. Also, correct me now if I'm wrong, but your popularity among fans, amplified after you did Swaragini. So, do
Hmm.
you consider that Swaragini gave a good boost to your career, or do you consider it as a turning point in your career professionally?
Yeah, I think it was a massive turning point in my career.
Hmm.
I'll
Hmm.
accept that because उससे पहले मैंने सिर्फ 2 ही shows किए थे.
Hmm.
This was a very very different show. It had two
Hmm.
heroines in the show, which was very new to me.
Hmm.
My character, to be very honest, had a lot of shades to it. There was a time
Right.
in between the show where my character had even gone negative
Hmm.
and then back to positive, and then like even when I did negative, it was with like really in a very 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 subtle way. And वो
Hmm.
बहुत खेलने का मौका मिला मुझे रागिनी के
Right.
साथ क्योंकि
Hmm.
वो जो कैरेक्टर है उसमें बहुत सारा ग्राफ था. So that was
Graph,
a lot of
right.
fun.
Yeah.
Honestly, like when you were saying कि कौन सा show repeat होना चाहिए, I was
Hmm.
actually thinking of Swaragini, but then
Hmm.
Swaragini I think is anyway being repeated on Colors
Hmm.
Rishte. So
Hmm.
that is why I was like, I might as well
Hmm.
just go with Silsila.
Yeah. Yeah. So then you did a show called what uh, Peredar Piyaki, if I'm not wrong. And there was
Yes.
a lot of negative buzz around it. But now when you look back, there's this show called बैरिस्टर बाबू विच इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ, एंड उसमें भी वही दिखाया जा रहा है कि अ स्मॉल गर्ल इज मैरिड ऑफ टू एल्डर गाय. सो नाउ व्हेन यू लुक बैक एट योर शो, डू यू थिंक वो जो अननेसेसरी जो बस था, दैट वाज अनकॉल्ड फॉर?
Yeah, the buzz was uncalled for, but we had a lot of things on our show, in our show, uh,
Hmm.
that really caught a lot of eyes. That
Yeah.
just वो बहुत लोगों की नज़र में आ गया because it was a massive show.
Hmm.
Whereas Barrister Babu is from the same producers, which is obviously Shashi Sumit Productions, and I'm a Shashi Sumit Productions loyalist. But it is on a very very subtle scale. So that is why I don't think that's happening. And also for the country, it is very unusual for people to say and see that a younger boy married a elder girl.
Right.
This is very fine. This is fine as long as a younger girl is getting married to an old man.
Yeah.
That is fine.
Yeah, that is
doesn't
fine.
call for any kind of controversy. That doesn't cause
Yeah.
anything. But if a younger boy gets married to a girl, then that's massive. Then that's like just backward thinking and just wrong. But I don't understand this mentality. I never really thought what I did in the show or what the show was anything even close to wrong. I've always been proud of all the things that I have done, and I'm still proud of the decision that I took to do that show, and I always will be.
Yeah. And you know, right after Pehredar Piyaki, you did Silsila Badalte Rishton Ka 2, which was equally as good as the season 1 and even far better.
No, no. After Pehredar, I did Karan Sangini.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, Karan Sangini. Yeah. And after that was
Sangini, I did yes.
Rishte Likhenge Hum Naya.
After Pehredar, I did Rishta. After Rishta, I did Karan Sangini. After
and
Karan
then came Silsila. Yeah, right. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, so it was equally as good as the first season, you know. But वो time when you just decided to take up the show, क्या वो थोड़ा pressure था कि you know लोगों के expectations meet होंगे कि नहीं, क्योंकि first season बहुत ही hit रहा था.
Yeah. सिलसिला बदलते रिश्तों का फर्स्ट सीजन बहुत ही हिट रहा, बहुत ही ज्यादा हिट रहा. And they had the first season had such senior actors. और हम तीनों तो बच्चे ही थे, हम चारों इनफैक्ट हम चारों ही बच्चे थे. So it was a massive responsibility. वरना तो मतलब बहुत बार ऐसे होता है जैसे कि even when I did Sanskar, where I entered in the second part of Sanskar, and there was a different heroine in the first part of Sanskar. So when I entered the show, there was a lot of comparison going on. कि मतलब you know, this is you know, the previous one was nice or whatever. Actually, because there was a massive difference in the character. The person playing the character playing the lead before was a character from the United States and very flamboyant. And on the other hand, the character that I was playing was basically like a kamwali, like somebody who works in the gaon and now it's come to the hero's house to work. So obviously comparison तो था ही नहीं, but there was still a lot of comparisons happening, and I did not want to be in that zone again after being there once in my life. But I was like, let's just take the chance, and I really tried to do the best I could, give the best, all of it that I had in me to give. I gave that, and it received a massive response. In fact, on Voot, we were from the day we started the telecast on Voot till the day we went off air, we were a constant number 1.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was nice.
Right, completely. And you know, if makers ever decide to make a season 3 of Silsila, would you like to be a part of it?
They had already called me for a third season. So now I don't know if it's going to happen because of the whole COVID-19 situation that we are in. And also Abhi Kunal anyway is doing another show on Colors itself. So I don't know if it will happen or no, but they did call me for the third season.
Third season, yeah. I myself is a fan of the show. I'm looking forward to the next season.
Oh, you are a fan of the show?
Yeah. Me and my mother used to watch a lot. I'm not kidding. My mother is a big fan of you as well.
How sweet. that was sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I don't
So,
know
now talking about
the third season.
Yeah. And now talking about your Khatron Ke Khiladi 10 journey, it has been phenomenal. I follow the show and you have been like consistently doing well. So how would you personally you see your journey, like जो पूरा journey रहा show में?
I think the journey has been amazing. Like, I'm really proud of myself and I'm really proud of all the things that I've done in the show. When it comes to the stunts and even when it comes to otherwise, I've always been myself. I've always made sure that my family is watching and I need to make them proud. And I've always tried to do whatever I could by never letting my parents down. So स्टंट्स तो मैं पूरी तरह से 100% करने की हमेशा कोशिश तो करती ही थी और it was a different experience. I think my journey has been amazing because शुरुआत में मैं थोड़ी सी डरी हुई थी but then बाद में मैंने पकड़ लिया था because I understood कि अब करना तो है ही, तो अब हंस के करो या रो के करो, तो करना तो है ही, तो you might as well just हंसते हंसते कर लो, give your best. The next stunt that you get is even worse than the one you lost. So you don't want a fear banda. So I was like, yeah, kuch bhi karke I have to win it. So I always had that attempt in my head.
Yeah. And in the show we see that ki Rohit sir bahut baar, he pulls your leg. What do you think about your fun bonding with him?
It was a lot of fun. My bond with sir has always been special. I have always considered him like I think the way he hosts the show and he handles the actors, I don't think any other host can actually handle a show like Khatron Ke Khiladi. He has respected stuntmen and that's basically how he started his journey in the industry. But at the same time, he's always a lot of respect for people setting up the stunts, people behind the cameras, and I've just learned so much from handle a show like that, and at the same time have that kind of an emotion towards a show like that, the way that Sir had.
Right. Yeah. Are there any fears that you have overcome after doing Khatron Ke Khiladi? Fears that you have overcome.
To be very honest, I'm still scared of the things that I'm scared of. Just because मैंने वो कॉफिन में अपने मतलब चूहों को अपने इधर इधर ऐसे मेरे यहाँ पर चूहा था, मेरे पूरे पैरों पे 3-4 चूहे थे. Just because I let that happen in that show and that stunt, I don't think I'm not scared of rats anymore. It's not that.
Yeah.
Also the other day मैं आंगन में थी अपने घर के और I saw a cockroach and I yelled and I jumped and I ran inside the house. And my dad was like, ये क्या है? I have to take this video and send it to Rohit Shetty क्योंकि ये लड़की जो इतना चूहों के अंदर लेटी हुई थी.
Yeah, right.
In the coffin. और हमारे ऊपर ऐसे इतने सारे cockroaches डाल देते थे. तो सर वो कि ये लड़की जो इतनी cockroaches में लेटी हुई है, ये सब झूठ है, ये अभी भी इतना डरती है. I want to shoot you while you're getting scared of the cockroaches. So to be very
also, you are finally making your big screen debut with a Marathi film by Rohit sir. Can you tell us something about that?
The film is produced by Rohit Shetty sir. So basically, I've known sir even before we've done the movie together. So बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि मुझे खतरों के खिलाड़ी के बाद ये मूवी, but actually मेरी इस मूवी की फिल्म की शूटिंग खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Yeah.
So the movie was signed and shot like a year and a half before. शूटिंग को हो गए 6 महीने, तो ये बहुत पहले की बात है. मूवी को तो डर लगने लग जाता है कि रिलीज भी होगी या नहीं.
So a lot of your fans wanted you to sing a Marathi song.
Marathi song. song. रुपेरिवाळुत्तमाडंचवनतेना चंदेरीचा हुल लावित प्रीतीत येना प्रीतीत येना जवळ घेना प्रीतीत येना
Beautiful.
बेधुंद सजन बेधुंदवारा गुंजात आत्मन धुंदवारा प्रीतिया तुझा इशारा देही असा शहारा का इशारा असा शहारा रुपेरी वाळूंच्या वनात येना तेचा
Beautiful.
प्रीतीत येना ना जवळ घेना प्रीतीत येना जवळ घेना. Yeah, this is one song that I know.
So one of your fans had asked to share some details about your last Dubai trip.
About my last Dubai trip, basically I just how do I say? So I'm a resident of the UAE because my dad has always worked there every 6 months. So I end up traveling to Dubai, and the last trip also I was gone for leisure, like no work, nothing. And so basically I was at the Al Qasai, and it was a beautiful, beautiful property. I lived there I stayed there for the. I have a friend there who's a photographer, so he was like, hey. So I was like, yeah, actually it's a good idea. When he asked in shopping, so I actually had new clothes to pictures in. So he came over to the property and we clicked a few good pictures. And it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Other than that, at the Dubai Mall, I even did the zip line, which is the world's longest zip line. The world's longest. It was the experience of my life, I think. Just line and just like crossing like such a long distance on a zip line. And it was my first ever zip line since other than Coorg. I think Coorg में मैंने zip line किया था, but that was a very different zip line. It was mainly like मतलब आप ऐसे literally ऐसे बैठे हो and you just go ahead. And that's deep inside the forest. Even that is beautiful. But this was something else only. Jumeirah beach के ऊपर से you go and the zipline was amazing. That is one thing that I also remember from Dubai, this trip. ये दो interesting चीजें की मैंने. Otherwise chill किया, shopping किया. Dubai is more like a home now, not like a tourist spot to me anymore. So it's nice.
Yeah. So one of your fans had asked, can you ask Tejasvi to come on Twitter?
I want to really come. जो भी मुझे like बोलना होता है या बातें करनी होती है, जैसे कि आप सभी के साथ Instagram पे भी हो ही जाती है. So I don't really understand why I need to be on Twitter and how different it is, or like I don't really know.
So one of your fans has asked, will Tejasvi ever do a music video?
I have done a music video, and I don't know when that's going to come out now with the whole lockdown and everything. It's just extremely uncertain. Just everything's just up in the air. तो अभी किसी भी चीज का आंसर तो पता नहीं है. But I have done a music video now. बाकी तो हम और कुछ कर नहीं सकते other than just like hoping it happens as soon as possible.
Yeah. So now someone has asked, ask Tejasvi about her bond with Aneri, Namish, Kunal and Varun.
With everybody, my bond is very, very, very nice. We're all friends. Varun and Kunal are two people जो मेरा बहुत मस्ती करते हैं, मेरी करते हैं. and because they're like, I think they're two very very smart people. Also, just two people that I can actually hold like a very intellectual conversation with, that extremely aware of everything around them. Whereas Namesh and Aneri, they're like mad like me. तो उनके साथ बहुत बड़ी ऐसी होती है, उनके साथ बड़ी ऐसे टाइम पास वाली, like making fun of them and probably even vice versa, but not like like smart and like very intelligent. तो वो लोग मेरी बहुत मस्ती करते हैं. But otherwise, Anamish and Aneri, they like me. So उनके साथ, so I have like a very different bond with both these people because they're just so different, and I love them, all the four of them equally, and it's always fun being surrounded with like-minded people, be yourself with, and I've been blessed to have these and not be judged and always loved and like everything. It's nice.
Yeah. So now one of your fans has ask her to share any funny memory from रिश्ते लिखेंगे हम नया.
What about रिश्ता लिखेंगे हम नया?
Funny memory.
Yeah, I remember रिश्ता लिखेंगे हम नया में given a lady's attire for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why he was given a. वो तो सीक्वेंस था, रोहित को कुछ ऐसे साड़ी या घाघरा चोली पहना था और I met him and I saw him as a lady, and Rohit is a very very pretty boy, like he's got a beautiful skin, like very nice fair and like clear skin and everything, so बहुत genuinely बहुत सुंदर भी लग रहा था. So I still remember that the next day I met him in that attire and I was like, तू इतना सुंदर लड़की लग रहा है और तू लड़की genuinely लड़की लग रहा है, तेरा मजाक भी उड़ाने का मन नहीं कर रहा. Because you know, with girls you're like very careful about so many things, and boys are just like useless. So I couldn't look at him as a boy. I couldn't mess around with him as a boy. I was like, नहीं थोड़ी इज्जत कर लेते, like genuinely like लड़की लग रहा है. So that I remember. He was so happy at the attire because he knew that he was nailing the attire. He knew he was killing it. And he was so happy to be. पकड़ा भी था मिरर में खुद को चेकआउट करते हुए. Damn funny. अभी भी कभी मैं उसकी स्टोरीज देखती हूँ. He's in like a lady's attire and doing TikTok videos. I think they're a lot of fun.
Yeah. So one of your fans has asked, what are the kind of roles that you want to do in future?
Kind of like challenging role that I would actually get to learn from something than what I've already done. But of course, like I don't exactly in what kind of role I would actually want to do. But just any role challenging and something I have to really prepare for and have to do like a lot of research and a lot of work from.
Yeah.
I think we should go.
So one of your fans has asked.
What are you saying?
Yeah. So one of your fans has asked, did you kind of lose out on any offers when you suffered that eye injury?
What?
Did you lose out on any project or offers when you had that eye injury?
A lot of things really. I missed out on a lot of things because I couldn't really go for a lot of meetings, taking to a lot of non-fictional shows because a lot of shows are very fun based, and then do like a physical fun based show. One of Teera Khatra or like even other things. But and बहुत अच्छी चीजें कर सकते थे, but वो I believe that whatever happens for the good.
Yeah. So now one of your fans has asked, out of a Bollywood film or a web series, which one would you choose?
A Bollywood film.
Yeah. Can we see one any?
I couldn't hear you. Let me. Diamond King 333 AB. Hi, sorry. Hi. Rushil, my Marathi film I don't supposed to be releasing in the month of like in summer, but I don't know now when it's going to be releasing.
So there's this last question that your fan has. Ask her if she will ever do a horror role.
A horror role, basically, when I am the ghost. I don't know. Yeah, I think that will be a lot of fun. I don't think I will ever in my life say no for any kind of a role, even if it is a role of a ghost. So yeah, I don't think I mind doing that. As an actor, I don't think I should have a problem doing any sort of a role.
Thank you so much, Tejasvi, for joining in and answering a lot of fan questions and mine too.
Thank you so much for having me. It was lovely talking to you, and my first experience with Bollywood life, and it was a lot of fun, and I hope to talk to you soon, and to the rest of the people a part of the live session. And maintain 10 feet distance from the people around you. Be careful with your parents' health, and just stay healthy. That's it.
Yeah, thank you so much and take care.
Thank you so much.